Welcome everyone, welcome to another edition of my weekly market breakdowns. It's been a very interesting sequence of weeks for us. Last week on the channel, I think we closed with a drawdown of 88 points, but it doesn't really mean anything to me because overall for the month we are up 600 points in profit, trading at $1 a pip. For those who are on my paid channel, you should have made $600 right now if you're trading on $1 a pip. For those who are over risking for every single trade, definitely you could find yourself in a situation whereby your account is not growing. Listen, guys, it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. I tell you guys these things week in, week out, month in, month out. I will tell you to the day I die. There's no reason in trading why you should keep on increasing the risk of your account, right? No matter what you do, keep your risk fixed. Keep it specific, because if you increase your risk and you take a loss, your account is going to take a big hit and a big drawdown. I'm going to keep it consistent. For those on my channel, you guys know I keep it consistent as far as risk management is concerned. Looking at the foreign exchange market, a lot has been going on, and I will give you guys my perspective. Again, these videos are for people who are advanced in trading as a whole. Now, if you're a beginner and you're watching this, it literally would get to a point whereby you're just lost, right? You just see me calling names, using terminologies. So this channel really is for people who already know how to trade. If you're a professional trader, if you're a full-time trader, the nuggets I drop on this channel week in, week out can really help you to see what potentially would happen in the market for that week, especially looking at my portfolio. This is my portfolio over there. I trade gold, 2 USD pairs, 2 euro pairs, 2 pound pairs, euro pound. I just added euro pound today. Euro pound most of the times works in opposite confluences with pound USD and pound yen. So if pound USD and pound yen is going up, you could find euro pound always going down. So I just decided today to add it to my portfolio because it's one of those currency pairs that has really been good to me in the past. Pound odd and Swiss yen. So I only look at these markets. Like I've always said, right from my first video. If you haven't watched my first video, go and watch it. There is no reason for you to trade 1,000 markets or 100 markets, right? Trading 100 markets doesn't make you a good trader. But trading a few markets makes you calibrate your efforts and really puts you in a position to understand market levels. Like for example, if I'm looking at gold, I can tell you where gold was like 2 weeks ago just by looking at the chart. So you guys need to get that, and that is the reason why I only trade these markets. So for this week, moving forward, we're in the building. What am I seeing on gold? Gold literally made this drop, and it ended around 1769, marked over here. And once it got to 1769, look at this zone over here. We had a strong indecision candle around here, showing that neither buyers nor sellers were dominating the market. But finally, we had a good bounce, and scaling it down to the 15-minute time frame. As of Friday, we had look at this, right? We had this little bull impulse move here. We had this impulse move here, and then we had this flag, right? So we have this big flag over here. We have this flag going on for us right now. And if you're a trader, you should know definitely a bullish flag is a big indication, it's a big sign that this market is about to go up. We're actually already on this trade. We bought this trade last week. And we've been looking to hold this position till this market gets somewhere here. Here. 18.50 is a good place to look at. But if you're looking to trade this market this week, Just watch this area, 1777.456 to 1787.938. And now, if confluent factors are confirmed, right? If confluent factors are confirmed, this market definitely will go up. I mean, I'm very, very sure this market is going to go up because of the bullish flag I'm seeing. And if you want to learn confluent factors, you can get on my foreign exchange course. The next session starts in May, between May and June this year. I'm already too advanced with the people I'm teaching right now, so there really isn't any chance for you to get on board right now. But if you want to learn this course, May, June is the next session, and I actually teach confluent factors at the end of the course. USDCAD, I'm looking at USDCAD. I mean, this market has been just dropping. Dollar lost a lot of power over the last week, and not for just any reason. As you can see, I have my trend line there going on there, and I've had this trend line for a long time right now, and just following up on what has been happening. This market got to the top of the trend line and respected the trend line literally. A little bit about around the zone. 2020 November. This market has been making consistent lower lows, and if I want to use fibs there from this point around here to here, this market literally has made a 23.6% retracement. That's on the daily chart, and it's just about to flush down. I am very, very positive that dollar is going to continue being weak, not just because of the charts. Let me get this right. Not just because of the charts. I mean, if you're looking at the U.S. economy, they're trying to rebound from COVID, and it's not really easy. And also, despite the fact that the government is trying to put in a lot of liquidity into the economy, there's the fear of inflation, right? And for those who don't know what inflation is, it just means more money backed by fewer goods. So this is generally is not good for the economy, and you can actually see it being reflected on the markets. Now for this week, scaling it down to 15-minute time frame, I will be looking at this zone. I am already looking at this zone. On my bigger trading account, I'm actually already on this trade. But look at this zone. Take note of this numbers. 1.26048. I mean, if it flushes down and confluent factors again, if confluent factors are confirmed, then I will be shorting this market to 1.23400. Right? I will take the short, and I will ignore whatever's happening in the market. I will just hold the trade till this market flushes down here. USD, same thing. Downward channel, daily chart to the left-hand side. This market is making consistent lower lows. For this week, I will be looking at this area over here. I'll bring it down for you guys. Again, on one of my big accounts, I'm already in this trade. I'll be looking at this area, 0.89429. And of course, if this market flushes down, it should definitely go to 0.87900, which is the next support zone, right? It's the next support zone. This market already flagged up a little bit. We have a little bearish flag going on over here. Show you. Look at this zone. We have a little bearish flag going on over there. Again, a bearish flag. For those who are quite experienced in trading, you guys know it is a strong sign that the market is about to flush down. So again, this week I'll be looking to short this pair, everything being equal. Euro USD. This is a market that literally has been in an uptrend in recent memory. If I'm trying to pick fibs from this point, fibs from here to this point at the top on the daily chart, I'll just work on the daily chart. Daily chart, you can clearly see that this market has respected and is trying to respect a 38.2% retracement around here. Horizontal line there for you guys. 38.2% retracement around there. Around this zone, right? This market is trying to use this zone as some sort of a bounce. And once it bounces back, I expect this market to flush all the way up back to this point. That is around 1.23200. I'll make it flat. For people whom I teach, they know why I always make it flat. You can learn that in my course as well. So scaling it down to the 15-minute time frame, for this week, I'm going to pay special attention because this area is looking like a very, very strong support area backed by Fibonacci's, of course. So I'll be looking at this area over here. I'll show you guys. I'm paying special attention to this area over here. You can see them marked out with an alert. 1.21448 is a region or an area that we're looking at, and if confluent factors are confirmed, I will buy this market right up to 1.23200. That's about 163 points in profit. So Euro USD, take note. Euro Yen, same thing. This market has been going up. Close of the market last week. This market actually retraced very, very sharply. I think it took us out. Little loss there, but this market still has momentum to go up because if you look at it on the bigger time frame, it is clearly in an uptrend. So for this week, I'll be looking at this area over here. I'll show you guys this area over here. Looking at this area over here for this week, volume over there, and once confluent factors are confirmed, I'm going to be buying this market again. Once confluent factors are confirmed, 128.194. Euro Yen, that is the price level that you should be looking at. Once it's confirmed, you can take a long position, literally, to this next resistance point around 128.900, and if you buy to that zone, that should give you a comfortable 74 points in profit. Guys, notice how I only trade levels, right? This is how I trade. I'm going to look at pound USD, and then I'm going to wrap up this analysis with talking about cryptocurrencies, right? There's a lot of craze around cryptocurrencies, so I'm going to talk about that. So quickly, pound USD, we have a bullish flag over there going on very, very strongly for us. Another market that really has to flush up this week based on dollar weakness that we keep on seeing. And so for this week, for pound USD, I will be looking at this area over here. This area over here is the area I'm focusing my efforts on. And once confluent factors are confirmed, I will be buying this market to this point. I'll show you guys the point. Weekly chart. And the point is supposed to be on the weekly chart. There it is. There it is. We have a strong resistance zone around here. So guys, watch out for that zone. 142,000. I'm going to make it flat again. Making it flat because of certain things that I teach in my course. So if you want to learn those things, you can register and become a part of the next program, which starts in May, June. So I'm going to throw a little bit of light on cryptocurrency. There's a lot going on in the crypto market. As I speak right now, I have a trade floating at about over 150 points in profit. I gave this trade on my channel just showcasing WaveWriter FX Plus, because for those who know my services, I have WaveWriter FX Basic, WaveWriter FX Plus, and WaveWriter FX Ultimate. Plus deals just with cryptocurrency trades. Now the crypto market, Bitcoin is literally going crazy right now. If I'm looking at Bitcoin, it just broke 57,000 and climbing. The target I can see on my chart is 60,000. We will definitely get there. We just have to keep on remaining patient. I mean, last night we were almost taken out. Here's our stop loss, was around 53,000, 653. There was a deep retracement, but thank God we made that. This market is going crazy, not just because it wants to go crazy, right? There are a lot of factors contributing. One of the factors is what I call institutional adoption, institutional adoption. It has really picked up pace right now. We have a lot of big institutions, not just governments, companies as well, that have trillions and trillions of dollars in capital, injecting money into Bitcoin and demanding for Bitcoin. That is why you see this market rising. In our lifetime, this market is going to get to $1 million. It is not too late to buy a couple of coins and keep in your cryptocurrency wallet. It is not too late to trade Bitcoin because it's going to be profitable. For those who are on my channel, I really do not have a trading team to help me with the work, but from time to time, I'm going to give my clients, I made that decision last Friday, to benefit from this market. So I'm going to be calling Bitcoin trades, and Bitcoin trades, the profits around Bitcoin trades are crazy. It's very, very expensive to trade Bitcoin because the spreads are crazy right now. I think yesterday the spread was 25,900 something, which is really, really crazy. But the return on investment on a Bitcoin trade is way, 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 way higher than fiat. Notwithstanding, you need capital, right? Again, I encourage anyone, if you have 10K, put it in that account, come on the service, we'll make that 10K or 15K, we'll make that 10K or 20K. So, guys, we're going to be buying to this point. I think we got in around here, horizontal array there. And right now, we are floating at about 161 points in profit, right? Once this trade is done, we would have collected about 424 points in profit. Again, massive, massive gains we're seeing on Bitcoin, and it's not going to slow down because the institutional adoption is crazy. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, bought 1.5 billion Bitcoin. Now that means something. It's a lot of confidence in the market. Everyone is trying to get a piece of the cake. Just 0.5% of the world owns Bitcoin. So if you don't own Bitcoin, you're not late to the game, or you're not late to the party. Guys, that was it for analysis this week. I look forward to seeing you guys either on my course or on the service. It's always a pleasure talking to you guys. And like I promised, I'm staying consistent on this channel, right? I won't stop. So take care and have a great, 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 an amazing trading week. Take care, bye.